So it's a carbon handle for your Futaba remote, but they don't made one for the 3PV. They are just for the 7px and 10px, so it's a super expensive one. But I'm gonna mod it to fit on the 3PV. Carbon, yeah. If you compare to the original one, carbon from Futaba, it's not even real carbon. Or just cheaply made. But oh, damn guys, I think I'm not gonna need to mod it, man. Wow, I think it's a direct fit. Yeah, that's pretty nice. It's 2.5. Yep. So I'm gonna keep the original boat. This one looks cheaper. Wow. On the I bought it on Alieexpress, and many people was asking about if it was fitting on 3PV, 4PM, 4PV, and the vendor never answered. So it was like 33 bucks Canadian, so maybe like, oh okay, it's fit, but I'm gonna need to, maybe I can just put it over. Try it the other side. I think I'm gonna make a little spacer like this. I'm gonna put this one. I can show you guys. Just like this, like this. Oh damn, we don't see with the light, it's make a super reflect. I'm gonna show you so I just took my original one, so I'm gonna make that part with something spacer, with, I don't know, maybe hard rubber or a thin plastic piece. I'm gonna find something. But we're gonna finish the unboxing. I'm gonna show you the phone things. So yeah, it's not a direct fit, like I said. You need to at least cut a little there. So, but the hole are the same at the same place. So that's pretty cool. And the phone holder, by the way, oh, that's nice. So it's a spring one. So if you want to put one with the screw or whatever, or if it's break, you can change it. So that's pretty cool. Sorry. Can put it the other side, but well. So you have many holes. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this, that, put your phone. Like I said, it's gonna fit like this. I'm gonna make another one. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna put. Whoa. It's gonna look like this. So that's super cool, especially for the price. And that bracket, it's so thick, I'm sure it's gonna hold well. So I'm gonna make another video with the spacers and the final what it's gonna be on it. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. And I made a little mud on my 3PV. That's pretty cool mode, because the 3PV, the thing for brakes, the trigger, but the brake side, the space between both, it's big, especially when your finger is not that big. So I just put a shrinks, like 3 layers of shrinks, and it's making a little ball, so it's directly but I'm gonna make another tip video for this, but at the same time I can show you. So yeah, and it's pretty soft. It's still soft and it's pretty comfortable. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to help the channel. And have a good one, guys. Peace.